So I don't believe in, fashionable diets to keep zero figure.
But you look beautiful, and at the same point of time, you always keep on motivating people.
Hey, hi Sonal, how are you? I hope you're doing good. How's your quarantine treating you in Dubai?
Hi Sajjan, how are you? Well, the quarantine is treating me well, though it's a bit haywire schedule, but it's fine. I'm managing. Heard the quarantine period or the lockdown period is extended in India. So how are you doing? Well, I'm excited for our session today. So let's start. Let's get the ball rolling.
Well, yeah, it's extended till 17th of May now. But jaan hai to jaan hai. I'm happy here. And I followed you because you write really well. But today I'm a bit shocked because you followed me because you like my Golgappa videos. You are a model, an inspirational speaker. In fact, I was thinking that people like you, NRIs, you guys have amazing food. You guys dine out in 5 stars. You always have healthy soups and fruits. I can't understand how you can have Golgappas and follow me.
That's not true. Being a Delhiite and having lived in Mumbai for a few years, I'm a foodie and I love, street food. So it's a wrong perception that, NRIs always dine in fancy restaurants and, they don't like street food. I very much like street food, but it's just that it's not readily available like we have it in India. So I miss, Delhi food. So whenever I go on holidays to Delhi, I just gorge upon the street food. But yeah, I eat in moderation. That's the key.
In fact, I never thought that my videos would be viewed by motivational speakers or inspirational speakers. I thought it's just for foodies because you guys have a lot of things to research, especially being a motivational person. You have a lot of case studies and you have a lot of things to work upon.
Yeah, that's true. Like every kind of work needs proper research, proper planning, proper execution. So I need to plan out for my motivational sessions to corporates or women forums. And I'm sure the same way you must be doing planning from your end too. I mean, what kind of food to promote, what kind of restaurants to promote. So yeah, it's like every kind of work needs proper planning and execution.
Yeah, you're actually right. We have to think about what to promote, what not to promote. इतना है कि कोई बीमार नहीं हो जाना चाहिए हमारा खाना प्रमोट किया और उसने खाया तो so we always take care of hygiene and health first before promoting our videos and yes guys, Sonal has been a great inspirational speaker. I have personally seen her videos. I have personally interacted with her a bit before I made this session Chai Pe Charcha with her. And it's really just amazing. You guys go ahead and subscribe to her channel. Do subscribe to my channel as well, Swadhish Sardarji, and subscribe to her channel Sona Shines. If you go ahead and follow her on Instagram, you would see amazing poems, amazing writings by her. That's how I became her follower and I agreed to come on Chai Pe Charcha with her, and she agreed it too because she liked my Golgappas. So that's how it has been. And being a mom of 3 kids itself is a big task. And then working as a freelancer for corporates in Dubai. Dubai people, they need a lot of well-mannered people to be an inspirational or motivational speakers in corporates. So imagine the kind of level I got to collab with.
Thanks so much for that compliment. But I never thought I would be a freelancer, or for that matter a blogger or a model or a writer or a motivational speaker, because I was born and brought up in Delhi and I was very good in studies and I was quite ambitious. So I got my bank job and life was settled. But then there are challenges in life. So I got married, moved abroad, and then I felt family needs my attention. So I gave up my corporate career and I tried to balance out my family life, and then gradually I had time, so I started doing courses in teaching and other management courses. And then I realized, as my passion was writing, since college days I was like writing, and I was editor of St. Xavier's. So I thought, why not pursue my passion? So I started writing books, articles, started blogging. So now I'm in a space where people like my work, be it books, writings, motivational speeches, or whatever my views are. And so I also keep looking for live examples, because I know that people are looking up to me for inspiration, so let me be a good role model. So I'm trying my best.
Now tell me one thing, you deal with so many people, so many demotivated people, or maybe some corporate people who needs motivation. How would you motivate me? I'm a street food lover. I've been missing street food big time. But yes, we have to follow lockdown because jaan hai to jaan hai. And I have been making recipes lately. Though it is something related to food, बट भैया मैं कभी बनाने वालों में से नहीं था, मैं सिर्फ खाने और टेस्ट करने वालों में से था. आज बना भी रहा हूँ, लेकिन उतना मज़ा नहीं आता है जितना टेस्ट करके, रिव्यू करके, प्रमोट करते थे हम. तो हाउ वुड यू डील विथ समबडी ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉक टाइम, लाइक अ पर्सन लाइक मी? हाउ वुड यू डील, हाउ वुड यू मोटिवेट मी?
I know we are in unconventional times due to virus lockdown and quarantine and everything, but let's innovate and devise new ways of keeping positive mindset, cooking tasty meals, and staying fit, and not giving up basically, and just innovating and creating new ways of good food, fitness, mindset. So yeah, I think we should just not give up and keep trying.
Can you share some poem you're writing with our viewers so that even they can feel motivated, maybe if I'm motivated?
Okay, so let me read a small poem to motivate you. Hope this helps. So it's titled, No Matter How. No matter how dark it is now, the sun will surely rise. No matter how hard it is now, your victory will surely arise. So just to cheer up our audience or viewers, so let us have a good joke from you. I know you're quite jolly in nature and foodie, so let's have a good joke to cheer up. We all need good humor in these trying times. So go for it. Tell me a good joke. Tell our followers a good joke.
Joke as in I always promote aloo. आलू का फेवरेट हूँ मैं is my famous dialogue, and today I have aloo with me. I always keep aloo with me to motivate myself. Now let's forget jokes. Let me ask you, what do you do? How do you keep yourself healthy? You are a mom of 3 kids, but you look beautiful, and at the same point of time, you always keep on motivating people. What's the secret behind this?
I'm glad you asked me that. So basically my fitness mantra or the health regime I follow is pretty simple. So I don't believe in fashionable diets to keep 0 figure, or just going by health facades and all that. I just keep it simple but effective. So this is the technique I learned in Delhi during a health seminar. So it's basically intermittent fasting. You can all the viewers and even you can research it on Google. So the technique I followed is called TSS, which is Tap Seva Sumiran. So Tap means you have to fast, Seva is charity, and Sumiran is meditation. So basically what I do in fasting is I keep a 12-hour gap between my last meal and first meal. So say if I have my dinner at 9, then in the morning till 9 I won't consume anything, and then at 9 o'clock I will have a green smoothie. So green smoothie is nothing but mixture of 3 fruits and 3 leaves. So any fruits you can take. I take banana, avocado and blueberries, and 3 leaves you can take like baby spinach or coriander, mint, anything you like, and just use little water, and I use coconut milk, so it becomes a very good shake kind of thing, and it's very filling, very healthy. So I have that, and after that till 12 or 1 I don't munch in between. Then 12 to 1:30 I either have salad or a bowl of fruits. That's that. So I don't take any grains. Then I have my dinner at 7, and in that I take grains. So it could be rice or dal or 2 chapatis and vegetable, whatever. So, and then after 7 I don't take anything, and in between if I have craving like to have junk food or street food, preferably I have it around 4 or 5, because that is the time your body easily digests those kind of foods. Otherwise it's a struggle. And second of all, I as I told you, it's seva, which is charity. So from my end I keep donating to Isha Donation Fund, which is run by Sadhguru in Coimbatore. Apart from that, I do seva in our nearby Gurdwara, wherein I go and cut vegetables or do whatever service I can. So that is one of my ways to give back to the society. And of course you can give 1/10 of your income if that is viable for you. Last but not the least is meditation or massage. Oil massage benefits we all know. It keeps your body flexible, and meditation, yoga, Zumba, whatever is suitable for you, you can do. As for me, I love Zumba and yoga. So these two are, but I keep changing. I get bored very easily. So if I will do yoga for 3 days, then 3 days Zumba, one day maybe bowling or skipping or anything like that. So it's not constant for me, it keeps changing, but that helps me. And so these are the principles I follow, and I will just give quick tips to busy moms that when it is a normal situation and your kids go to school, or even if they are home due to virus, just get up in the morning, have a bath, wear good clothes, feel good, and maybe take a walk. If it is allowed, then walk in the nature is the best. Otherwise, walk in your balcony or home. Just take a walk and do some breathing exercises, and after that just meditate for a while, then drink something good like a green smoothie, or have a good breakfast, good healthy breakfast like poha, upma, something like that, which is not too heavy for the system, but it is good to sustain you. And after that do read some motivational stuff by spiritual gurus, or read a good book, whatever motivates you. And then make a to-do list which you need to do, so that you remember what all you have to do over the day, and try to finish off the cooking in the morning itself, because the body is energized, so that the rest of the day you can do whatever you like or want to pursue. Always keep a passion in life that keeps you motivated. Like for me, it is writing books or giving motivational speeches, so I try to participate in as much contest I can, as much research I can do. So that keeps me going even in this gloomy environment. So keep your passion alive, because when you are happy, then only you can make your family happy, your kids happy, your husband happy. And try to have a structure in your life. Give your kids a structure, sleeping at one time, getting up at one time, so that you have your own me time, or time with your husband, or time with your friends. Try to call your family members or a good friend daily to keep you pepped up and positive, and never give up. I mean, whatever the situation, whatever the time, don't try to be superwoman. Do things at your pace, live life on your terms, and you will get success in your time. So just keep up that positive spirit alive. Now, Sajjan, enough of gyan from me. So now let's turn the tables. I know the viewers are excited and they want to know, good recipes from you, and even a demo of a easy to make dish which is tasty yet healthy and quick to make, in this quarantine or lockdown time. So let's do that. Just give us some quick, food tips and some good recipe if possible, and of course a demo if you can. So now the ball is in your court. Play it well.
Sure, I like a lot of variety of food. I like to go ahead and make different styles. I like to make Indian, I like to make Chinese. Let's go ahead and share one of the best recipes that I personally like. दाल मखनी सबकी फेवरेट होती है, हर जगह मिलती है, गुरुद्वारे जाओ तो वहाँ पे भी मिलती है. So let's go ahead and share it. I have my full video on YouTube on my channel. Do subscribe to Swadhisht Sardar Ji so that you can view the entire video.
Wow, Sajjan, that was a nice dish you made, and in no time. It was healthy and it was easy to make. I'm sure the viewers will give it a try. Even I will try it later on. I'm not a pro cook, but yeah, I love to try different dishes, especially if they are healthy and easy to make in this lockdown period. So I will do that. I really enjoyed this session with you, and I hope the viewers enjoyed it too. In case you people have any question, queries, feedback, review, anything, you can always contact me and Sajjan, and we would love to hear from you. So let's call it a day. We will collaborate more in future, and make more fun and interesting videos for you all. Have a nice day and stay safe, stay home and be positive. Thank you. Bye, Sajjan. Take care.
Sonal, just keep inspiring people, keep helping people. People, do join Swadhisht Sardar Ji, do join Sona Shines, because we are coming up with something really big on her channel. She will have more Chai Pe Charchas with some people, and I will go ahead and promote my street food once the lockdown is over. I can also promote some recipes, so enjoy the recipes meanwhile. At the same point of time, keep safe, be safe. Jaan hai to jaan hai. Do remember that. Enjoy, do take care of yourself. Bye from my end. Bye, Sonal.